She has turned the tree hole into a predator-proof fortress. The hole in this tree trunk will provide vital protection. Just what she wants. Once settled inside, she pulls out her flight feathers. She is not going to need them because she will be staying in here for quite some time. Now her partner brings her a beakful of mud. And she begins to seal herself in. She has turned the tree hole into a predator-proof fortress. For the next 2 months, he will deliver all her food directly to her door. She will keep them safe for another 6 weeks, until the young have grown and fledged. And then both she and they will break out of their confinement.